Discover the unmatched power and performance of the Mack Granite Dump Truck in this in-depth review. We explore its robust engine options, advanced transmission, superior hauling capabilities, and driver-focused features. Whether you're in construction, mining, or municipal services, find out why the Mack Granite is the go-to choice for heavy-duty operations. Don't miss out on learning about its safety systems, maintenance efficiency, and customization options. Watch now to see how this powerhouse delivers productivity and reliability on every job site. The Mack Granite Dump Truck is a powerhouse of performance and durability, designed to handle the toughest jobs with ease. Let's dive deep into the features and details that make this truck a standout in the heavy-duty category. At the heart of the Mack Granite is its powerful engine, engineered for both efficiency and strength. Depending on the configuration, it can be equipped with the Mack MP7 or MP8 engine. The MP7 offers up to 425 horsepower and 1,560 pound-feet of torque, ideal for lighter, more agile operations. On the other hand, the MP8 steps it up a notch with up to 505 horsepower and 1,860 pound-feet of torque, ensuring that even the heaviest loads are transported without a hitch. These engines are designed to provide maximum power while maintaining optimal fuel efficiency, a crucial balance for long-haul operations. Complementing the engine is the Mack Drive automated manual transmission. This advanced transmission system not only enhances fuel efficiency but also reduces driver fatigue with its intuitive gear shifting mechanism. It automatically selects the best gear for the job, ensuring smooth transitions and superior control over varying terrains. For those who prefer more control, a manual override option is available, allowing drivers to shift gears as needed. Durability is a hallmark of the Mack Granite series. The truck's frame is built with high-strength steel, engineered to withstand the harshest conditions and heaviest loads. Reinforced cross members add to its structural integrity, minimizing flex and maintaining stability under stress. This robust construction not only enhances durability but also contributes to improved safety, ensuring that the truck remains steady even on uneven ground. The suspension system is equally impressive, designed to provide a comfortable ride while maintaining load stability. The Mack Granite offers multiple suspension options, including the Mack Camelback suspension, known for its durability and ability to handle extreme conditions. This system reduces wear and tear on the chassis and components, translating to lower maintenance costs over the truck's lifespan. When it comes to hauling and dumping capabilities, the Mack Granite is second to none. Its dump body is constructed from high-strength aluminum or steel, depending on the configuration. This choice of material allows operators to balance weight and durability according to their specific needs. Aluminum offers a lighter weight for improved payload capacity, while steel provides maximum strength for rugged applications. The hydraulic system powering the dump body is built for speed and efficiency, allowing rapid unloading while ensuring precise control to prevent spillage or imbalance. Safety is a top priority for Mack, and the Granite Dump Truck is equipped with an array of features designed to protect both the driver and the cargo. Anti-lock braking systems, ABS, and traction control provide enhanced stopping power and stability, even under adverse weather conditions. The truck also includes hill start assist, preventing rollback when starting on steep inclines. Optional safety features like lane departure warning and collision mitigation systems further enhance on-road safety, reducing the risk of accidents. The cab of the Mack Granite is engineered with driver comfort and convenience in mind. It features an ergonomic design with intuitive controls, ensuring that the driver can operate all systems with ease. The seating is fully adjustable, with air suspension to reduce fatigue and long hauls. Visibility is maximized through large, panoramic windows and heated mirrors, reducing blind spots and improving safety during complex maneuvers. Inside the cab, the technology integration is state-of-the-art. The Mack Granite comes with the Mack Connect telematics system, which provides real-time data on vehicle performance, fuel efficiency, and maintenance needs. This system allows fleet managers to monitor each truck remotely, optimizing logistics and reducing downtime. The infotainment system includes Bluetooth connectivity, hands-free calling, and a touchscreen display, ensuring that drivers stay connected while maintaining focus on the road. Another standout feature is the advanced air management system, designed to improve aerodynamics. It reduces wind resistance, enhancing fuel efficiency. The strategically placed air deflectors and optimized hood design channel airflow effectively, minimizing drag and contributing to a smoother ride. This design also helps keep the engine cooler, reducing the risk of overheating during heavy-duty operations. The Mack Granite is highly customizable, catering to a wide range of industries including construction, mining, and municipal services. Customers can choose from various axle configurations, wheelbases, and body styles to suit their specific operational needs. The truck's modular design allows for easy upfitting, making it compatible with different types of equipment such as snowplows, cranes, or specialized dump bodies. Maintenance and serviceability are made easy with the Granite's thoughtful design. The hood opens wide, providing easy access to the engine and other critical components. This design simplifies routine inspections and maintenance tasks, reducing downtime and service costs. Additionally, the Granite is designed with durable, easy-to-replace parts, ensuring that repairs can be completed swiftly, minimizing disruptions to work schedules. Fuel efficiency is enhanced not just by the advanced engine and transmission systems but also by the aerodynamic design and weight-saving materials. This efficiency translates to lower operating costs, making the Mack Granite a cost-effective choice for long-term investments. Coupled with Mack's renowned reliability, it's no surprise that the Granite is a favorite among fleet operators worldwide. The exterior of the Mack Granite is as functional as it is striking. Its bold, muscular design reflects the truck's power and capability. The grille is designed for optimal airflow, aiding in engine cooling, while the LED headlights provide excellent visibility, enhancing safety during night operations. The rugged bumpers and skid plates offer additional protection, making the truck resilient against impacts and harsh working conditions. One of the standout aspects of the Mack Granite is its ride and handling. Despite its size and power, the truck is remarkably agile, thanks to its responsive steering system and well-tuned suspension. Whether navigating tight construction sites or cruising on highways, the Granite offers a smooth and controlled ride, enhancing driver confidence and comfort. The Mack Granite also boasts impressive load-carrying capabilities. Depending on the configuration, it can handle gross vehicle weights of up to 92,000 pounds, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. The payload capacity is optimized through strategic weight distribution and a low center of gravity, ensuring stability and safety even with full loads. Environmental considerations are not overlooked, as the Mack Granite complies with the latest emission standards. Its advanced exhaust after-treatment system reduces harmful emissions while maintaining engine performance. This makes the Granite not only powerful and efficient but also environmentally responsible, helping operators meet regulatory requirements with ease. In conclusion, the Mack Granite dump truck stands out as a versatile, powerful, and reliable workhorse, designed to handle the most demanding jobs. Its combination of robust engineering, advanced technology, and driver-focused design makes it an industry leader in the heavy-duty truck segment. Whether it's hauling massive loads, navigating challenging terrains, or ensuring maximum uptime through efficient maintenance, the Mack Granite delivers exceptional performance and value. It's more than just a dump truck, it's a trusted partner in productivity and success.